Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see how long you have been subscribed to a YouTube channel for. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser, and then from here we need to make sure to sign in and click onto our account. And then from here, click on manage your Google account. Then from here on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Go ahead and click onto data and privacy. Then you want to scroll down and find YouTube history. So here it is here. So yeah, click on YouTube history. And then scroll down again and then click on manage history. Then from here on the left hand side, we want to click onto interactions. And now inside here is all of your data for YouTube. Now, if you want to check history on your brand account, we just got to go hover over our profile here and then click on your brand account and then go through this again. And then from here, scroll down and it'll say other YouTube interactions. Click on where it says channel subscriptions. And now from here, this is where all of your channel subscriptions data is going to be. So just scroll through and find that channel to see how long you've been subscribed for. So I've been subscribed for with Marcus Jones since January 29th, 2024. If I want to find others, I'm going to keep scrolling down. And on this channel, it looks like I'm only subscribed to 3 people, which is interesting. Okay. All right. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe.